Emily is a German girl who loves traveling. She met Cindy when Cindy was studying abroad in Germany. Cindy is very good at German, but Emily is quite poor at English, so they mostly spoke in German. However, Emily promised Cindy that one day she would go to the United States. And today is the day that promise is fulfilled. Hello, Cindy.
Emily, how are you?
I am good. I have exciting news.
Really? What is it?
I want to visit you in the US next month.
That's amazing! I can't wait to see you.
Yes, but I am a bit worried. My English is not very good.
Don't worry, Emily. I will help you. We can practice together.
Thank you, Cindy.
And you can stay at my house.
Really? That would be great. Thank you so much.
Of course. My home is your home.
Great. Now I'm super excited. And I want to visit many places and talk to people.
You'll do great. Just be patient and practice. I'm here to help you.
I feel better now. I can't wait to see you.
Me too. We'll have so much fun.
Yes, we will. See you soon.
See you soon, Emily. Safe travels.
Hi, Cindy. I just landed.
Welcome to the US, Emily. How was your flight?
It was good, but I am a bit tired.
I'm glad you made it safely, but I have some bad news though.
What happened?
My boss called me for an urgent meeting. I can't pick you up right now.
Oh no. What should I do?
Don't worry. You can take a taxi to my house. I'll text you the address.
Okay, I will try.
You can do it, Emily. If you need help, just call me.
Thanks, Cindy. I will do my best.
Good luck. See you soon.
Oh, great. Only me and my bad English now. However, I'm so hungry. I need to find something to eat. Excuse me? Where food? There's a food court on the second floor. Take the escalator up. Food court? Second floor? Yes, second floor. Thank you. I want this.
Okay, 1 burger and fries. Anything else?
No. 1 burger and fry. Would you like a drink with that? Drink? No drink. How much?
That'll be $8.50.
$8.50. Here.
Thank you.
Excuse me? Where taxi?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Taxi? Where go?
I think it's outside, but I'm not sure.
Excuse me, where taxi go?
The taxi stand? It's outside. Go straight and then turn right.
Straight? Turn right?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. Taxi, please.
Sure, get in. Where are you going?
Here.
Okay, I know this place.
Thank you. How long to house?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. I'm in a taxi. I'll arrive in 30 minutes.
Hello, would you like to buy some souvenirs? We have many beautiful items.
Hello. Yes, very nice. How much?
This one is $20. It's a great price for such good quality.
20? Discount?
I can give it to you for $18. Special price just for you.
Size?
This is a medium size. It's perfect for you. And look at the design. Very popular.
Oh, okay. But, maybe too expensive?
No, it's a great deal. You won't find this quality for this price anywhere else. Just $18 for you.
Oh, okay. I buy. Here, $18.
Thank you. You made a great choice. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Hello, you must be Emily. Come in.
Hello. Yes, I am Emily. Thank you.
How was your trip?
Trip good. I buy this.
Oh, very nice. How much did you pay for it?
$18?
$18? Oh no, that's quite expensive. They overcharged you.
Oh, I see. I not know.
Don't worry, it happens. You'll get better at bargaining. Do you need help with anything?
Yes, a little tired. Where I put this?
Oh, you can put it on the table. Cindy will be here soon.
Okay, thank you.
Emily, you made it. How was everything?
Hi, Cindy. Yes, I made it. I bought this, but maybe too expensive?
It's lovely, but next time, let's practice bargaining together.
Yes, thank you, Cindy. I need learn more.
Don't worry, you're doing great. Come, and let's get you settled.
Thank you.
Here you go, Emily. Have some tea.
Thank you, Cindy. I have many problems. English, very hard.
I understand, Emily. Learning a new language is always challenging. What specific problems are you facing?
When I talk, people not understand, and buying things, I not know how to bargain.
It's okay, Emily. It takes time. Here are some tips that might help. First, try to listen to English as much as you can. Watch movies, listen to music, or even podcasts.
Yes, I try, but sometimes too fast.
Oh, that's normal. Start with simpler content. Children's shows or language learning apps can be very helpful. Also, don't be afraid to ask people to speak more slowly.
Okay, I will try. What about bargaining?
Bargaining can be tricky. Try to learn some key phrases and practice them. For example, can you give me a discount? Or is that your best price? Also, don't be afraid to walk away if you feel the price is too high. Sellers often lower their prices when they see you're not too eager.
Yes, I need practice more.
Absolutely. And you know what? Tomorrow, I'll take you out to practice. We'll go to some shops and markets. You won't have to worry because I'll be there to support you.
Really? Thank you, Cindy. I feel better now.
Remember, confidence is key. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's part of a learning process.
Yes, I understand. I will do my best.
I know you will. Now, let's finish our tea and relax. Tomorrow will be a good day for practice. All right, Emily. Today, we're going to practice asking for directions. Let's find someone to help us.
Okay, Cindy. I'll try. Excuse me? Could you help us with directions? Sure, where do you need to go? Hello. We want to go to the museum.
You can ask, where is the museum?
Oh, yes. Where is the museum? The museum? Which one are you looking for? There are several around here. The big one with the, famous building?
How do we get to the famous building?
Yes. How do we get to the famous building? Oh, you mean the historic museum? Well, it's easy to get there. Just go straight down this street, turn right at the second traffic light, and you'll see it. Go straight, turn right, second, light?
Yes, that's right. Do you need to ask anything else, Emily?
How long to get there? It should take you about 10 minutes on foot. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
You did great, Emily. See, it wasn't too hard, was it?
No, not too hard. Thank you, Cindy. I feel more confident.
Good. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it'll get. Let's keep going and see what else we can practice today.
Yes, let's go.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.